Hello dear subscribers, they'll show you how to install Google Chrome on your macOS High Sierra. So for doing that, let's open Safari. After, we just need to write here Google Chrome. So now you just need to tap here and just tap on download. So now you just need to open it when it will finish completely with downloading that, and let's wait until it will finish. So now you just need to open it. So now you just need to move it to your applications, and now let's wait until it will finish with copying that. For now, let's just open here and just check if everything's okay. Now just tap on open, and here you just need to tap on run. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.